Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use dupe interactions in Wix Studio. So first things first, if you don't have an account on Wix, you just have to go to Wix sign up and create an account here. Basically, you can create an account using your Google. So go to Wix sign up and then you can sign up using your Google account, sign up using your email address and password, and you can sign up using your Facebook. So you can see it right here, your email address, password, your Google account, and your Facebook. So the easiest way to create one is by connecting your Google account. So this is a dashboard of Wix. If you want to create a site, just look for create a site. If you want to edit your site, just click edit site here. So let me edit a site because our tutorial is how to use loop interactions in Wix Studio. Now you have to make sure that you have added some products or images right here, because what we're going to do is we're going to add an effect, the loop effect here on your product or your image. Let's just say this one. If you're going to click this picture right here, you will see options above. So let me click it again. And in the option, you can see change image, this settings, okay, design, and then as you can see, there's this animation and effects. All you have to do is to click this one. Then it will take you directly to add animation. You have to scroll down and look for the loop effect. You have to click this and you will see different kind or types of loop effects. So everything is up to you. What you're going to do is you just have to click that effect that you want. Okay. And then you can also customize if you want. So you can just simply tap to see the result or preview the result of this loop effect. Okay, so let's just say you want to choose this one. And what you're going to do here to see the result is just have to click preview. If it's a preview, then you will see what it will be if someone visits your Wix website and see your product right here. So that is the loop effect. Now, if you want to add products, then you can just simply double tap and then you will see here add product, add image. Or you can also choose from your gallery if you have added these products already or these images already. So basically that's it. And you can also add some effects and design to each of the image or product right here. But basically there is no add animation effect on the product that you have just recently added. So maybe I can only use that effect to one product or one image, which is this bag product or image right here. Now, if you want to customize the loop effect here in Wix Studio, you just have to click customize right here. You can change the motion style from gentle to intense. Okay, so the direction to the duration and also the delay. So you just have to simply drag it up or down and see the preview. If you like the result, then you can now proceed. If you don't like the result, then you have to simply change it again and again. So basically that's it. You can customize the loop effect if you want. Now, unfortunately, I cannot see that loop effect if I tap the background image. Okay, so I can only see other effects right here, but not the loop effect. Okay, and also if I go to the header or Wix header, if I tap this right here, then basically I can see the animation and effects, but unfortunately I cannot see the loop effects. But there are tons of animations and effects right here for your Wix header or for your background image. But again, basically, if you want to add a loop effect again on your Wix Studio, just tap the image and then click this animation and then look for loop. And again, like what I have mentioned earlier, you can customize the effect. Just click customize right here. You can customize motion style. Okay, so aside from customizing the motion style, you can also customize duration and so on. And then just click that loop effect that you want. So there are tons of effects right here, and just click the preview to see the result before you choose or publish that effect. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to simply use loop interactions in Wix Studio. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.